Hey everyone, having trouble connecting your AirPods Pro to your iPhone because the pop-up isn't showing up? Don't stress, this is a common problem and I've got some simple steps to help you fix it. It's usually caused by Bluetooth glitches, outdated software, or pairing issues. Let's get this sorted out for you. Solution 1. Try the basics first. So let's knock out the obvious stuff. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone to open the control panel. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. After that, lock your iPhone and unlock to the home screen. Open the lid of your AirPods case with the AirPods inside and hold it close to your iPhone. If the pop-up still doesn't show up, let's move on. Solution 2. Reset the AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time, it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes your phone just needs a quick reset. Restart your iPhone by turning it off and on again. In the meantime, make sure that your AirPods are charged. If you don't have enough charge, the pairing will not work. Now, after restarting your phone, try opening the AirPods case next to your phone again. Hopefully, this time your problem will be gone for good. So that's how you can fix it if your AirPods Pro isn't showing the connection pop-up on your iPhone. If none of these steps work, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.